Hi, today I'm going to show you how to implement Admob banner ads using Firebase. So let's get started. First, we create our project, select empty activity, click on next, name of your project. Here I'm selecting language Java and click on finish. There are benefits of implementing Admob ads using Firebase, like you can secure your ad unit ID in Firebase. Suppose you have to change your ad unit ID for some reason, so there is no need to change your code base. You just change your ad unit ID in Firebase. Now create Firebase project. So open your Firebase console in your browser and here click on add project. Name of your project. Here I'm providing the same name as Android project for consistency and click here and then click on continue. Now click on continue. Here select an account. I'm selecting default account for Firebase and then click on create project. So here you can see your project is ready. Then click on continue. Here I'm selecting Android. Now open your Android project and copy your package name and back to our Firebase console. Here we paste our package name and then click on register app. Now next step is download the Google Json file. So click here and then click on next and click on next here and then click on continue to console. Here we click on real-time database and then click on create project. Click on next. Here I'm selecting start in text mode because I'm creating this project just to show you how to implement ads in Firebase. That's why here I'm selecting start in text mode and click on enable. Click on plus button. Here name it banner and in value here I will add test add unit ID for banner. So here copy this test add unit ID and paste it here. Click on add. Here I'm using test add unit ID. In my previous video, I have shown how to create app ID and add unit ID in Admob. I will provide the links in description box. You can go and check how to create Admob add unit ID. Now click on rules. Here set read and write true and then click on publish. Now go back to Android Studio. Open build.gradle app level and here we add required dependencies. I'll provide in description box. Now click on sync now. After adding required dependency, open activity mean.xml file. Now click on manifest file. Here we add internet permissions and add application ID using metadata tag. And here we paste a sample app ID. Now open main activity.java. And get the container ID from XML file by using find UI ID. Now we initialize our mobile SDK. And here we simply create a toast message that will display mobile SDK is initialized. Now we create a method to get the ads using Firebase. And we will get the ad using a URL. So here we pass a URL. Then we create an object of Firebase class. And here we pass URL. Then we create a value event listener. So here on data change method is called when there is any change in data. And on cancel method is triggered when listener either fail at the server or is removed as a result of the security. So inside this on data change method, first we read the data from the Firebase. So here we create a string. So first we read the data from the Firebase. Then we create an object of the add view. Now to display the banner ad, so here we use add view and then we set add unit ID. And here we pass data. So here data is a add unit ID which we have saved in Firebase. Now inside the container we set our ads. Now set the ad size. Now create object of add request. And this add request contains the information which is used to fetch an ad. Now we load the ad. And here we pass our add request. Now inside the onCreate method, we call our method get at Firebase. And here we have to pass a URL. So open your Firebase console in your browser. Click here on data. Now copy this URL and go back to Android Studio and paste your URL here. Now next step is to paste our JSON file in our project that we have downloaded from the Firebase console. Now open project. Here we select project. And inside the app folder, we paste our JSON file. Now click on OK. Now go back to our Android. Now run the project.
Here you can see the output.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.